Hello there YouTube, Escargo80 here, coming back at you with another community support video. This time it's for Key Comics Market Watch and we are celebrating his 1000 subscriber. He's making a giveaway contest. Sorry for the shades, by the way. This one is, I'm having a problem with my eyes and therefore it's like a flu or something. So I decided to go with a pop grimy kind of a way, and no sir, I didn't start doing any vodka shots, but I'll definitely try to join you guys. Pop grimy and a very good friend of mine, as you know, Mr. All About Comics JP, they're doing a very nice live show this Sunday 9 p.m. Central, and the show name is called Comics and Cold Ones. So what the heck, I live in the northern and eastern hemisphere, but it will be 4 a.m. in the morning my time, and but I'll try to join you guys for some vodka shots, or I don't know, I can't say no to a nice Kentucky bourbon. Anyways, for the contest, I find out about K Comics in my friend's Spider Comics 7's video, and I checked this dude out. He's an awesome dude. He has almost 790, like 793 subscribers. So congratulations already. And this dude, he likes Avengers. I think he watched it on the movie theater more than twice. So here with my More Than a Fan shirt, I'm supporting you, and I'm supporting the Avengers Infinity War. So big kudos to my friend in LA. He shipped this out to me before the movie. He knows himself, and yeah, he wanted us to make a video, and he also wanted us to mention a comic story which can be applied to Marvel's MCU, Marvel Cinematic Universe, or which we want as a movie experience. So as I told you before, I love the X-Force, and this weekend Deadpool 2 is coming to movie theaters, and we don't know, maybe we'll see some X-Force magic there. But the real thing is, I love this, you know, this Clayton Crane X-Force with this is on hardcover, by the way, and I love this story. I got the volume 1. Yeah, there you go. And volume 2 hardcover of the story, and some of the cover art by amazing Mike Cho. Alex the Comic Order mentioned his name. He's a very great artist. I met him in New York once, and the artwork inside is amazing. So I really want to see a X-Force movie, but a hardcore, R-rated, with Wolverine leading the team. You know, sex and violence and gore, all that stuff. I definitely love that kind of stuff. Yeah, a really, you know, serious X-Force movie. It can be directed by Bryan Singer. Don't know. Yeah, anyhow, this is my entry. Congratulations once again. Thank you for watching, and thank you for all my new subscribers. I'm an inch away from 100 subscribers, but that's okay, that's great. Big kudos to everybody who is checking out, and like Pop Grime said, peace, and hope to see you guys soon. Ciao.